Hey guys, my name is Detailed Dale, Master Barber, founder of Sharper Barber, and U.S. Ambassador for Mataki Shears. I want to welcome you to this haircut tutorial. And in this video, I will be doing a female asymmetrical haircut. So if you find this video beneficial, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. Before we get the video started, just to give you a little bit of background about myself, I've been cutting hair for over 30 years. I love to cut hair. There's no haircut that I can't do. If haircut was karate, I would be a 12th degree black belt. So you can rest assured that if you watch this video, you'll find things that you can learn from and you will find beneficial. So here's the video. Enjoy. Okay, our model Karen is going to get a asymmetrical bob haircut today, where it's longer on the right side, and as it goes around to the left, it gets shorter and shorter and shorter, where it's just smoothed out. We're going to start from the left side using the incredible Mataki scissors to remove the bulk on the side of her hair. And we're going to cut with our fingers pointing downward at a 45-degree angle to remove the majority of the bulk, starting from the left temple all the way around to the back, and then from the back to the sides of the right temple. So now I'm using the purple Andis magnetic attachment to continue to remove the bulk. Now I'm going to blend out a little bit with a little bit of clipper over comb. Now I'm going back to my attachments, this time a number 3 attachment, going against the grain upward from the bottom in a scooping motion, starting from the right side all the way around to the back and to the left side. And this is a number 3 attachment. Now once that's completed, I will be utilizing the clipper over comb method to continue to blend out, starting from the left side all the way around to the right. And I love this clipper over the comb method because it's extremely effective. Then you can freestyle as you go too, just to make sure that you grasp that perfect blend. So now we're going to start the blending out process at the back of her neck at the very, very bottom, smoothing out against the grain with the clipper fully closed. And now I got my 0 attachment to basically create the first line that we're going to knock out. We got 2 lines to knock out. We're going to knock out this bottom one right now with these Andis Masters. And I apologize for the blurriness in this video. I promise you, as we continue to make these videos, they will get better. Now I'm using a 0 attachment against the grain, and it's going to create 2 lines. Always make sure that you remove any additional hair. You don't need any confusion because you want to see exactly what you're cutting. So now I'm going back with the 0 attachment just to continue to make sure everything is removed there. And you don't have to be as meticulous as I am with it, but if you're striving for perfection, it doesn't hurt to do so. Now I'm going to this number 2 attachment just to make sure there's no excess bulk. I forgot to mention that I did use the number 2 attachment earlier. She wants to cut the sides down as close as they can, but still keep everything nice and dark. So now I'm going back to the number 1 attachment to blend out that very, very top line. just keep blending it on out. She wants a nice, conservative haircut. Now, I did notice when I was blending her out that she had a scar, like a little dot scar in the center of her head below her occipital bone. And originally I said I'm going to try to just, make this work, blend this out the best that I can. And so that's what I'm doing here. And it's kind of tricky because that scar is like to the skin. So, but at the same time, we don't want to bring her fade up like super high. So it's going to require some serious blending, some work to try to bring that in. Had I would have known that the scar was there, we would have definitely brought the taper down a lot lower. But it's all good though, because she wanted the taper in the back, the fade, to be higher up. So I'm just going to just continue to just blend out. And I got this #1 attachment here, and I'm just going to continue just to blend out, going against the grain. And you can also use your Anda Slimline Pros to blend and go back to the 0 attachment, what I'm doing right here. And it's just a continuing, working process of just smoothing out, blending out, knocking out lines, trying to make everything as blurry as possible. Blurry like this video right here. So now that we got that blended out, I'm going to the Anda Slimline Pros to edge her up. And we're going to go around her ear. Always remove excess hair, and you can use the comb to bring the hair down to make sure that we get every last single bit of hair there. And don't hesitate to use these Anda shavers. These things are wonderful for getting the skin baby smooth and get really close to edge ups for that nice finish. And as you can see, I'm going back to the attachments to just finalize and finish up things, just to continue the blending out process here. So we're going to start cutting the top here. She doesn't want too much off the top. She wants to keep the majority of her length. So we're just going to cut the ends, starting with the top here and the front, using the incredible Mataki scissors. I love these scissors. Nothing cuts like Mataki, trust that. And we're just taking off the ends, nothing big. We just want to create some layers. It doesn't take too much for her hair to get volume, because she has really beautiful hair. It's real thick. So as you can see on that right side, she has that length. And as we go around to the left side, it gets shorter. So I'm using a Mataki scissors here to basically scissor over comb and blend out. Make sure that transition from where her hair is layered and as it go down to where it's the clipper cut, it's really nice smooth transition. Very nice. So we don't want to compromise the haircut by overcutting, but we want the transition to be really nice and smooth. We want to keep the layers in there and just want this haircut to be flawless. Clipper over comb. A little bit of razor work on the edges here to make sure edge up is crisp, well-defined haircut. So there it is. Now I wish that I would have combed it down so you could see the degree of her asymmetrical haircut, but this is very nice, so we just combed it back. And again, I apologize for the blurriness. She has the tight fade in the back, edge up around her ears. Really smooth. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you found it beneficial, please hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. Until the next time, take care of yourself.